Go ahead. Head to the next one, Will.
Okay.
Warren Buffett would be richer than Elon Musk if he hadn't donated stock worth $111 billion today. That's an interesting little find there. I know himself, he's kind of with the Gates way of it. Like Gates and him, are they pals? They kind of were doing similar things for a while.
Sure.
Flip-flopping world's richest and then philanthropy.
Yes.
You like that word, Will? Philanthropy? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Helping people.
Well, not what it means, just the word.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a bit much. I don't know.
Do you think it's too much for the actual
I don't know.
definition?
Whatever. It's fine.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not complaining. I take it back. All right. So, basically, he's been giving away money for a while. As people get older in life, very rich people tend to do this by the looks of it. Warren Buffett's net worth at $113 billion, half Elon's. If he hadn't donated 111, he'd be richer than,
$111 billion donated.
I guess that's what it would have been worth today, but at the time it was less. Is that what they're saying?
This is a very hard calculation because presumably he would have had to sell interests and investments as opposed to currency. So you couldn't necessarily, if you really wanted to get granular with it, you'd have to look at the appreciation in those assets over that time. So it's probably even more unless Business Insider did the math. Mm-hmm. But if it was one-to-one currency, then that would also, because of inflation, that'd be more as well. The Berkshire Hathaway CEO has a net worth of 113. They said 100. Yeah, okay. If Buffett hadn't donated, Buffett owned nearly 475,000 Berkshire A shares in 2006 when he pledged to give 99% of his fortune to good causes. He has almost halved his holdings to about 239,000 shares since then, slashing the value of his Berkshire stake to $112 billion. You know what's funny about this guy? This is the guy I saw, like, I don't know if it was a documentary or whatever, but he it's not the most lavish lifestyle, this guy specifically. Did you see that? He goes to McDonald's every day. Yeah. And if it's a good day or a bad day, is only the difference if he gets an Egg McMuffin or not.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Which is insane if you really think about it. Like, that's insane. But
it's
I guess
the little
that's how
things
the
in
rich
life
get rich. Yeah.
Yeah.
But actually, Elon is a little weird himself. He's living in like a $50,000 house or whatever the rumor was. I mean, obviously he has other assets. He did have one house in San Francisco, which he said he was going to sell. And he's in his jet all over the place. Whereas my understanding is, I'm sure Buffett travels, but he seems like a small town type of guy over there in Omaha. Mm-hmm. Not the most glamorous setup, but you read about his life story, and he was hustling from a very young age, door to door,
nice,
just working, grinding. But now he's going to give it all away at some point here. Mm-hmm.